In front of me is ALCATEL 1B 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Gallery app and holding one of your photos in Photos section that you wish to get rid of. In my case, this one. Now to select multiple right away, hit those three dots at the top right corner and select all at the top. Now to exclude some of your photos that you wish to keep, click on them. And to delete the rest, select this bin at the top right corner. You can also select folders. Click on one of your folders over here, hold a picture, and select all of them the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!